now.
Makorede,
Free Sowore 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 now.
Makorede.
Sowore has done nothing. He has done nothing. He has committed no offense. Sowore is not a thief. Sowore is not a criminal. The only crime that Sowore has done is the criminals there speaking up for the police.
DCP Fakorede, free Sowore now. 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 DCP Fakorede, free Sowore now.
DCP Fakorede, DCP Fakorede.
You want the tempers like you won't go your
Their details to the letter.
Yes.
Every nonsense that they've been doing in this country, whether the ones the people they've been killing, journalists they've been locking up, no problem. Even if you lock all of us here today, stronger and louder voices will come out tomorrow. The message just needs to be clear. Nigerian oppressive class, from Mgbeke to Akpabio to all of the all the wicked, all the evil guys who have kept us subjugated in poverty and repression. Your time is up. Nigerian masses are going to rise up. A people united can never be defeated. A people united
can never be defeated. A people united.
Revolution
now. Revolution now. Revolution now. Gentlemen of the press, this is a just an exercise today, and they are planning by all means to see how they can detain or arrest Omoyele Sowore. But the message is clear that we are not afraid. Even Omoyele Sowore himself is not even afraid. He has prepared already. He came here with his bag. His detention bag with clothes, enough clothes for him to be changing. Paraventure if they arrest him and detain him. But the truth remains that we that are outside, even though they also come after us, we are not just in this number. That's why I said that this is just like a rehearsal. Now, the oppressed Nigerian people should not think that this is a fight of Omoyele Sowore or this is a fight of our movement. This is a fight for survival in Nigeria. Can you imagine illegal Inspector General of Police Ogbetoku? Can you imagine his mistress was allegedly be promoted onto a rank that she's supposed not to get so within the year, within 10 years? And because of Omoyele is exposing all of these unjust practices of Ogbetoku, is now grieved, sending his boys to go after Omoyele Sowore, thinking that by so doing, they can silence him. Of course, Ogbetoku is supposed to have by now read history about our struggle, read history about Omoyele Sowore. Our resistance have no limits, and we are not afraid of whoever that is involved. Yes. The truth remains that if you arrest one of us, yes, or you oppress one of us, or even any Nigeria, in as such it come to our hearing, we will come out for whosoever that is involved. Yes. And that is what they need to understand. What Ogbetoku have decided to do today is to try to plan of how he will shut down the economy of this country. EndSARS will be a child play because they did it before, and they use all their cunning craftiness to make sure that they seize the passport of Omoyele Sowore so that he cannot travel. Till today, they keep postponing the sitting of that case. They make sure that the Omoyele Sowore didn't travel, and they want to see hold him again. But if that is what they wish, let them go ahead. But the truth of the matter is that the resistance they have never expected or they don't think of coming will come. That is the promise we are promising there. Thank you.
I want to yarn. I want to Sowore. See, me I no come here come speak good English. I no come here come speak grammar. I come here to stand for Baba Sowore. You understand? First of all, I want to draw this attention to the expired Inspector General of Police. When don serve for 36 years. When no one retired, go house, go rest, so that they will fit promote younger officers when they look up to become IG one day. Because if that the other officers, the other IG them, no retire, him now for no be IG. You understand? Yeah. Nigerian police officers, they suffer. The men and women of the Nigerian police force, then they suffer up and down. Many of them no fit pay their children's school fees. Many of them no fit feed their family. But still yet, now then they protect the lives and property for all these useless big politicians when no fit put law when go favor the police. Comrade Sowore, stand up. Start to talk about police welfare. Start to talk about police lives. Start to talk about the retirement of police, their benefit and everything. At the end of the day, the APC IGP, Egbato Kukayode, when don serve for 36 years, when deserve Guinness Book of Record, feel say he fit arrest am to oppress am to silence his voice. We Nigerians, you no get anybody wey dey fear. See this 10th generation, this Gen Z generation, we no dey fear anybody. If una dey fear me, I no dey fear. See even Tinubu when be president, we no dey fear Tinubu because him don first use hunger sef make everybody dey attention like this now. Make everybody wake up because we now we no dey fear. We are giving the Inspector General of Police, we gave them 1 hour before, and that 1 hour don pass. We dey give them 30 minutes to release Sowore for us. If not, we go occupy everywhere. We go occupy in office, we go occupy in house. May notice say we no know their house. All of them, both Tinubu, all of them, we go their house, go occupy everywhere. No peace for the wicked. See, when Nigerians stand up, it's a warning. Yes. If na fear na threat, make na say na threat. No get what they fear. The day when we go stand up for this country, one by one, we go leash na outside there. We go scatter una mind go there. No joy for the street. We no get joy again. Everybody dey vex. I no get joy.
Our peace and joy has been.
No joy.
Okay, please, I want to
ladies and gentlemen, single legality calling him here. There is nothing. In fact, everything they are doing here is just something. What will I even call it? It's very unlawful. He's not even supposed to be in this building in the first place. I mean, the only crime Mr. Sowore has committed, according to them, is speaking up for the police, for the welfare of the police. The only crime he has committed, because by what they are telling us, the documents that was given to him that warranted his appearance in this place is not even justifiable. You said somebody did a forgery. Bring the document that he forged. You cannot provide the document. So what kind of invitation is that, or investigation is that? You said somebody did this. They said, okay, bring who and who is calling for his arrest. You are not able to mention the names of the person that are even calling, because you know that there are some people that are already having criminal intentions to deliberately keep Nigeria where it is. And because Mr. Sowore is bold enough to speak against that criminality, it is now a crime. So you see where we are in Nigeria. But these same police officers that Mr. Sowore is speaking for, go to their houses and see the level of poverty. Go to their houses and see that most of them cannot even train their children in school. None of them is attending a good school. No ordinary police officer can boast of putting their children in a better school. Yet these guys are the ones protecting these criminal elites. They are the ones protecting their wives. They are the ones protecting their girlfriends. In fact, as a matter of fact, they are the ones carrying umbrellas and bags for the criminal elite. Now you want Mr. Sowore to keep quiet and not to speak for them. When he speaks, he becomes a crime. It becomes a crime. It becomes a criminal to you. You now bundle him and keep in your building in every attempt to silence him. We are saying enough. No. We are saying enough. Yes. And if this persists or continue, we are going to mobilize Nigerians, and we will storm every of their offices, we will storm every of their houses. We will make sure that as long as they don't want this country to grow, as long as they don't want Nigerians to live at peace, as long as they want to continue eating the welfare and the benefits of the serving officers, we are going to say no, and we will make them also to feel the heat. This is Nigeria, and nobody is scared of anybody. Nobody is scared of anybody. Even Mr. President, we are not scared of him. We are not scared of the president. It is because of us that he is there. Today he is called the president because we are Nigerians. If there are no Nigerians, there will be no president. Without Nigerians, there will be no Senator Akpabio. Without Nigerians, there will be no Egbetekun, who is even deliberately staying in office and refusing to retire. His tenure has expired. What is he doing there? If it is good to retire other officers, why is it not good to retire Egbetekun? We are saying enough. We are saying that this injustice has to end.
It must not be sustained.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Please come in.
Come
Come in. When you go out, help us bring out Omoyele Sowore, this IGP. This is, please help us understand this IGP. 36 years and counting as an IGP. I mean, this is against our constitution. We are all under the constitution. Go, you don't want to go. Okay, we've left you there, Jejeli. Leave Sowore. This is Omoyele Sowore, whose passport was seized. Now you've even seized the person himself. But you know what? You've gone too far this time. Because this time you're going to pick all of us. Free Sowore.
No.
Free Sowore. When do you want to free?
No.
Free Sowore. When?
No.
Free Sowore.
No.
Sowore. Free.
No.
Now.
Free Sowore. IGP. What's the name of the other guy? What's the name of the guy who wrote the letter? Fakorede. Free Sowore.
No.
Fakorede. Free Sowore.
No.
Free him when?
No.
Free Sowore. Bring him out. IGP. Go now. Your tenure has expired. Allow all these ones to be the IGP now. Nigerians, please, can you imagine a situation whereby a serving police officer's salary cannot buy him a bag of rice to feed his family? How is he going to look after you and me security? So that is what Omoyele Sowore came here on the 21st of August and said, please, look after these policemen's welfare so that our security will be improved. Oh, IGP won't let him rest. Free Sowore! Free Sowore! No! Bring him out. Welcome, sir. God bless you, sir.
Chief, well done.
Free Sowore, IGP, come and go. Let these people be the IGP now. IGP, let that place. Let these people be the IGP. This is against the constitution. IGP, go now. Go, IGP, go.
Free Sowore. No.
Unbelievable action that police is deliberately deliver to our activists across the Nigeria. What the position that police is taking is unlawful. We Nigerians, we are standing for their rights. For more than 3 decades, our mentor, Sowore Omoyele, is standing for police welfare. A recently testimony that happens last protest, the police welfare have been improved. Police lack unions that they can stand for their rights. And activists deliver voluntarily to stand for their rights. And they are not appreciating what people is doing for them. Mr. President retained Egbetekun for his pause in their effort to do political maneuver ahead of 2027 general election. We are not supporting that. If the police retirement is sweet, why not Inspector General of Police will not retire? So all these actions that police is doing, enough is enough. If they didn't care, continue doing what they are doing. We are not in celebrity. The time of modernized celebrity have gone. We have gone school. We are knowledgeable enough. We know our rights. Nobody will come and start doing maneuver in his actions while we will not speak out. Thank you.